Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two Wi-Fi mesh systems, the TP-Link Deco Wi-Fi 6 mesh system and the Amazon eero Pro 6e. We will evaluate these products in various categories to help you make an informed decision. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and comparisons. Let's get started. When it comes to Wi-Fi technology, both products offer the latest advancements. The TP-Link Deco Wi-Fi 6 mesh system is equipped with Wi-Fi 6 AX 1800, providing a next-gen Wi-Fi experience with faster speeds and improved connectivity. On the other hand, the Amazon eero Pro 6e is the first Wi-Fi 6e system by eero, offering lower latency and faster speeds on devices that support the new 6GHz band. It is also backward compatible with previous generation eero devices. When it comes to coverage and device support, both products excel. The TP-Link Deco Wi-Fi 6 mesh system can cover up to 5,800 square feet, eliminating dead zones and buffering. It can handle up to 150 devices, ensuring a strong and reliable connection throughout your home. Similarly, the Amazon eero Pro 6e offers network coverage up to 6,000 square feet and supports 100+ connected devices. You can enjoy seamless connectivity even in larger homes with multiple devices. Setting up and managing your Wi-Fi network should be easy and convenient. The TP-Link Deco Wi-Fi 6 mesh system makes the setup process a breeze with its Deco app, offering clear visual guidance and allowing you to set up your network in minutes. It also works with Alexa, enabling voice commands for turning on/off guest Wi-Fi. Similarly, the Amazon eero Pro 6e comes with the user-friendly eero app, which guides you through the setup process and allows you to manage your network from anywhere. Ensuring the security of your network and devices is essential. The TP-Link Deco Wi-Fi 6 mesh system includes a free lifetime subscription to TP-Link Home Care, offering advanced antivirus protection, robust parental controls, and quality of service (QoS) features. It also provides WPA3 encryption and TP-Link Home Shield for a safer online experience. Likewise, the Amazon eero Pro 6e offers automatic updates to keep your network safe and secure, along with additional network management features available through a separate subscription. It also works as a smart home hub, allowing you to control compatible Thread and Zigbee devices with Alexa. And there you have it. We've compared the TP-Link Deco Wi-Fi 6 mesh system and the Amazon eero Pro 6e in various categories. Both products offer advanced Wi-Fi technology, excellent coverage, easy setup, and robust security features. The TP-Link Deco Wi-Fi 6 mesh system comes with a price tag of $249, while the Amazon eero Pro 6e is priced at $549. Consider your specific needs and budget when making a choice. Which one would you prefer? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more exciting tech content. Thanks for watching.